Hello my darlings, good morning. It's phonics time, so pop that hat on and make sure you're ready. Okay then, so today we're going to start with two high frequency words. So the first one is by, okay? And by as in I am by the river, not as in I went to buy some broccoli, okay? So by, I am by the river, by, okay? By, as in I went to the shop to buy something, looks like this, okay? Different one. So, by, by, by. There is also the by as in bye, which looks different again. It looks like that, okay? So, three different versions of the word. Oh my goodness, we're learning so much at the moment, aren't we? So, I want to be by the sea. I am by a river. I am by my bike. I went to buy a cake. I went to buy some fruit. I said bye to my friend, okay? Different spellings, they are said the same, but they have different spellings and they mean different things, okay? This is the one that we are concentrating on today. Now, our second high frequency word is the word don't. Okay, now don't looks like this. This is called an apostrophe here, don't. Now, don't is a contraction of the two words do, not. Now you're going to learn more about contractions in year 2, and you're almost in year 2 now, but contractions are when you make something smaller, so you're making the word smaller, okay? So we are making this smaller. Instead of making it 2 words, instead of having it as 2 words, do not, we are combining them into one word, and we're taking out, you can see that, we're taking out the O. So if I write it above, you can see that's the same, that's the same, that's the same. Oh, we've taken away the O, the O, okay? And we've just put an apostrophe there to show that it is gone. It's kind of missing. We've taken it out because we've contracted the word, but the T is still there. So don't becomes our word. So do not, and people tend to say don't more often. You won't so often say to your friend, do not do that. You'll say, don't do that, please. Okay, that's more commonly used. So don't. So let's concentrate on practicing that a couple of times. So don't looks like this. Don't. Oh, my duh went a bit funny there. Don't. Don't. There we go. You can see I've got a new pen today. Well, it's not new, but it's a different one. So it seems to actually be showing up, which is good. So there we go. By and don't are our 2 high frequency words today. Good job. Okay, right, now let's look at the next part of our learning today. So we are now going to look at, this one's a little bit hard to rub out, making my board all mucky. Oh my goodness gracious me. Right, okay then. So now we are looking at a digraph. So this digraph looks like this. Okay, looks like this. And we are comparing it to this digraph. Okay, and I'm going to give you the example of the word jaw, your jaw. Okay, this is your jaw here. That's your jaw line. This is your jaw. Okay, so jaw, j-aw. So you can see that this digraph spelled like this makes the aw sound, which previously we knew as this digraph. This digraph, of course, still makes the aw sound, but so does this one too. Okay, so this makes the aw sound too. Jaw, jaw. Okay, right. So let's have a go at writing that down and using it in some words. So first of all, practice writing jaw. Jaw. Now let's do jigsaw. So j, I, g, jig, s, or jigsaw, jigsaw, jaw and jigsaw. And then we've got straw, 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 okay? And check you've got all of those. Straw, and let's see. Let's do prawn. Prawn is a sea creature. You may also sometimes eat them. Prawn. So often it is at the ends of words, but not always. Right, there we go. Okay, let's try writing it in a sentence. So, the sentence is, the prawn is on the lawn. So the lawn is that usually nicely mowed piece of grass that people have as part of their garden. So the prawn is on the lawn. The prawn is on the lawn. The prawn is on the lawn. Right, let's have a look. So, capital letter. The, finger says, p, r, o, n. The prawn is on the lawn. Full stop. Okay. The prawn is on the lawn. The prawn is on the lawn. There we go. Okay. Great. Fantastic. Now, let's have a quick look over a couple of tricky words. Now, I think we did these briefly before, so let's have a little recap. So, do we know this one? Do we know this one? Okay, this one is Mr. This one is Mrs. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Okay, so these are the ones that you can't sound out. Okay, the titles, the things that adults use at the beginning of their names. When you're grown up, you'll have one too. And these ones are the ones that you can't sound out very easily. Okay, we've got the ones that we can, like miss, m-is. That one is phonetic, so we don't have to learn that as a tricky word. We've got miss, we've got ms, ms. That's not quite phonetic, but it's almost there. Ms, so we can use ms. You can learn that one as well. That one becomes a bit of a tricky word. Ms. Yeah, because it's got more of a z sound to it than a s sound to it. Ms. So it makes it a little bit of a tricky word. And then we've got this one as well that I introduced you to last time. And that one can be said two different ways. I did a bit of research on that one. So you can have it sounded out like this, mx, mx, or you can have it mx, mex. Okay, two different ways to sound out that one, but both of them are phonetic. Well, almost phonetic. So these ones are the complicated ones that you need to concentrate on. Okay, so these are the tricky ones. So we're going to rub this out and then you are going to have a go at writing them. Can you remember them? Right. Mrs. Can you spell Mrs.? Looks like this. Like that. Okay. And can you spell Mr.? Mr. Only two letters. Mr. Looks like that. Okay. Well done if you got them right. Good job. Right. Okay then, children. Let's quickly recap our digraph for today then. So we had this one, which sounds like the sound that we already knew for this digraph. So it's the or sound, like in st, r, or. Okay? Or sound for both of those. So that is today's digraph. Right, well done, my darlings. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back and enjoy the rest of your learning today.